I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ononoba is greeting you, people. All my fans in YouTube. Ononoba is greeting you. Have your Merry Christmas well and enjoy yourself. This 2025 is going to be a great year. Yes, it's going to be a very good year. So enjoy yourself. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you'll be smiling with us. Enjoy with us. Don't forget us. Love us. Always like our channel. Always come back. We're a traveling blog. We travel a lot. So always come back, okay? Merry Christmas and enjoy the light of the Christmas. Yes. Please like us and subscribe and follow us.